2002 Honda CRV, brought to you by Speed Auto Care. They've been using this as like a kind of loaner vehicle, stuff like that. The odometer says 244,000 miles, but the owner had told me that they had replaced it with a similar engine with about 100,000. Even so, this thing is running really good. It is dusty because it was underneath a tree with springtime and everything. It does need a good cleaning. It does have some stuff back here. You can see it's like he uses it, but it's just kind of like a spring cleaning sort of thing. Time to get rid of stuff. The air conditioner is actually ice cold. This body really does need a good wash. Actually a nice buff too. Look at this. Tires are good all around. It's got a little like, it's got rust there, but it's not seeping through. Not bad. I mean, it is an EX. It does have the moon roof. It's showing everything up front, and it is what it is. You know what I mean? It needs a really good cleaning. It needs a nice vacuum. I could actually make this thing into a superstar. Actually back to black. The bumper would come out really nice. This actually would be a nice little project car. It's a little faded here, but believe it or not, you can buff this back out. Throw a little deeper stuff there too. You could. This can be a really good looking, decent car for the money. And that's why he's selling it cheap. ABS light is on, maintenance required, nothing big. Looks like he's got like an Android Auto in here. I forget if these had the picnic tables or whatever in the back too. I don't remember if it does. It might. Also up here looks like he's got a camera. Just in case, I guess. Oh yeah, this is, I haven't been in one of these in a while. Yeah, he does have a lot of his own stuff in here. So I know this little tray folds down. It's been a while since I've driven one of these. Yeah, you could hear like, he has not used this in quite a while. But like I said, spring cleaning special. Almost got a full tank of gas. That's worth a lot of money these days. Also got this Honda Odyssey we have to get rid of also. So, just a couple of vehicles here. Just trying to basically clean up and, like I said, do a spring cleaning. Nice, decent vehicle that was maintained and just needs basically a new owner. No way. Get out of here. It's got a backup camera? That's funny. He really did hook this thing up then. That's funny. That is funny. All right, if you need more information, just take a look in the description below for the contact.